Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best oil dispensers for your kitchen that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for precision, versatility, or durability, we've got you covered. All the product links are in the description below, so let's dive right in. Starting off at number 5, we have the Leaflay Olive Oil Dispenser Bottle Set. This set includes two 17-ounce rectangular glass bottles, each equipped with stainless steel pourers for controlled dispensing. The leak-free, transparent glass construction ensures safety and allows you to easily monitor the contents inside. The included accessories, such as a funnel and cleaning brush, add convenience to the package. The design is highly functional, with an anti-drip spout that prevents messy spills and keeps your countertops clean. The bottles are compact and space-saving, making them perfect for small kitchens or outdoor picnics. However, the lack of a spraying feature limits its versatility, and the rectangular shape might not be as ergonomic as cylindrical designs. While the Leaflay set doesn't offer a lot of advanced features, its straightforward and reliable design makes it a great choice for those who prioritize simplicity. It's ideal for those who want to store multiple liquids, like olive oil and vinegar, and appreciate the included labels for easy identification. Pros include the dual bottle set, easy cleaning, and anti-drip design. Cons: limited versatility and no spray option. Coming in at number 4, we have the Flairosol Olivia Oil Sprayer. This 200 milliliter glass sprayer is perfect for those who want precision and convenience in their cooking. Featuring an advanced fan spray nozzle, it delivers a fine, consistent mist of oil, ensuring even coverage for your dishes. The ergonomic handle and anti-drip trigger make it user-friendly, while its compact size is ideal for both home kitchens and outdoor use. The build quality feels premium. With durable glass and a leak-proof design, the green-tinted bottle adds a stylish touch while protecting the oil from light degradation. However, the smaller 200 milliliter capacity may require more frequent refills for heavy users. Additionally, while the fan spray is excellent for misting, it doesn't offer a pouring option, limiting its functionality for some. This is a great choice for calorie-conscious individuals who want precise oil control. Its versatility with different liquids like soy sauce and vinegar adds extra value. Pros include the ultra-fine spray, ergonomic design, and stylish look, while the cons are the limited capacity and lack of dual functionality for pouring. At number 3, we have the Aozita 17-ounce glass olive oil bottle dispenser. This elegant dispenser is designed for those who prefer a classic, no-fuss olive oil bottle. The green glass not only looks sophisticated, but also protects your oil from sunlight, extending its shelf life. Equipped with stainless steel pour spouts and a funnel, this dispenser ensures a mess-free experience every time. The Aozita excels in build quality, with BPA-free and lead-free materials that are both durable and safe. The anti-drip design prevents leaks, and the flap cap keeps dust out, making it hygienic. While it's dishwasher-safe for easy cleaning, its lack of a spray function might be a drawback for those looking for more versatility. This product is perfect for traditionalists who value a straightforward dispenser for everyday use. Its practicality, combined with its aesthetics, makes it a great addition to any kitchen. Pros include the sunlight protective green glass, anti-drip spout, and included accessories. The downside is that it's strictly a pourer, with no spray functionality. Coming in strong at number 2 is the Trendplane 16-ounce glass olive oil sprayer. With its 2-in-1 functionality, this dispenser allows you to both spray and pour, making it incredibly versatile. The precision spray nozzle delivers a fine mist for air frying or grilling and a steady pour for salad dressings or sautéing. Each spray dispenses 0.15 grams of oil, helping to control your daily oil intake. The BPA-free glass construction ensures safety and durability, while the sleek black design fits seamlessly into modern kitchens. However, the lid is not dishwasher safe, which means extra care is needed during cleaning. At just 5.3 ounces, it's lightweight and easy to handle, although the spray mechanism may require periodic maintenance to prevent clogging. This is an excellent choice for those who want flexibility in their cooking. Whether you're air frying, baking, or grilling, The Trend Plane sprayer has you covered. Pros include its dual functionality, precision spray control, and lightweight design. The cons? The spray nozzle needs regular cleaning, and the lid isn't dishwasher safe. Finally, at the top spot, we have the Yaramate 16-ounce glass olive oil sprayer. This 2-in-1 oil dispenser combines the best features of a sprayer and pourer, making it the ultimate kitchen companion. The Fine Mist Spray dispenses 0.2 grams of oil per spray, giving you control over your daily intake. Its wide neck design makes refilling a breeze, and the transparent borosilicate glass ensures durability and easy monitoring of oil levels. The ergonomic handle and front-facing nozzle make it comfortable to use, and the lockable lid ensures no accidental spills. The lifetime assurance offered by Yaramate is a testament to its quality and reliability. While the multi-purpose design is a standout feature, the slightly larger size may not fit in smaller kitchen spaces as easily. This product is perfect for anyone looking for a versatile, high-quality oil dispenser that excels in both form and function. Pros include the dual dispensing options, precise oil control, and premium build quality. The only downside is that it might be a bit bulky for those with limited counter space. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the best oil dispenser for your kitchen. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you. See you in the next video.